welcome back to my channel. So today I thought I would do something a little bit different and just kind of show you what we did for the weekend. Sometimes we get overwhelmed with stuff and I'm stressed from work, from school, kids, just life, and we don't really take care of ourselves, and that's kind of where I was at this past few weeks, and just overwhelmed with schedules and work. I'm a mom of 3. I work a full-time job, the YouTube channel, which I'm loving. I love my job. We also, my husband and I, are the music directors from our church. We've been there for 22 years and we love it. We know that that's where we're supposed to be. But with everything and the craziness of life, it can get overwhelming. And if you don't self-care, you can get overloaded, stressed, and the little things really get to you. And so I felt like that's where it was, and really made some plans to just get away for a couple days. And so we are here at the coast in California. It's a little bit chilly, and I'm kind of tucked in right here between some rocks and just kind of listening to the water. It's soothing. And so that's why this is going to be a little bit different. I want to inspire you to take some time to regroup, take some time to what will refill your tank. Sometimes, like I said before, we give and we give and we give and we don't take care of ourselves. And that saying where when you're on the plane that you're supposed to put your oxygen mask on before you can help somebody else. Well, what is filling you up? What is draining you? We have to figure that out. And maybe this video is really just for me and just a reminder to myself, because I don't do it enough. I don't take care of myself enough. And I think, well, we can do it next week, or we can do it next week. And next week's always filled up with something. And to be honest, this weekend, was a little bit crazy as far as schedule, but we made it work, and I kind of rescheduled some things. My kids have conferences, and I was able to still work it out. I want to give a big shout out to one of my amazing friends that's helping watching my kids, and just being there for them, and just helping me not feel worried about if their needs are being taken care of, because I know they're having a blast. And so think about what will refill you and what will give you that peace of mind to tackle those schedules, tackle those things that may be draining, but because you're already drained, it's overwhelming, and you can't take any more. Self-care is very important, and I like I said, I don't do it enough, and I think I'm going to start doing it more often. So one thing that I was thinking about is that I was looking for inspiration for different things to do, different DIY projects, and I couldn't think of anything. I couldn't think of what I wanted and what direction I wanted to go and what project to do, and that was my sign to say, you know what, you need to slow down, take a break, regroup. That way you can think clearly. And again, everything that we have in our lives, I'm thankful for. I'm thankful for an amazing church and the responsibilities that we have there, as well as what God has done in our lives. And so sometimes for me, I feel guilty for feeling a certain way because I'm thinking, everything in my life is good. But if you're not taking the time to regroup and to take care of yourself first, you cannot be effective in helping others, and that's very important. And so I encourage you that wherever you're at, to take some time to regroup, to fill your tank, and so that you can be functional and that you can be there for your family. And hope that inspires you, hope that encourages you. And if nothing else, this is just a reminder to myself to continue doing it. Have